Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about the Pigeon milk pump and why many mothers choose it as part of their daily pumping routine. For mothers who are new to pumping, choosing the right pump can sometimes feel confusing. Many people look for a pump that is simple to use, easy to clean, and comfortable for regular use. The Pigeon milk pump is popular because of its user-friendly design. Many mothers find that it is easy to assemble and convenient to carry when traveling or moving between different locations. Another reason mothers choose this pump is its lightweight design. Having a portable pump can make daily routines easier, especially for busy mothers. Comfort is also important when selecting a pump. A comfortable pumping experience can help mothers maintain a regular routine and feel more relaxed during sessions. Proper cleaning is an important part of using any pump. Keeping all parts clean and dry helps maintain hygiene and ensures the pump is ready for the next use. Many mothers also find that creating a regular pumping schedule helps them stay organized and makes daily routines easier to manage. It is important to remember that every mother's routine is different. The best pump is usually the one that fits comfortably into your lifestyle and daily schedule. Taking time to learn the pump's features and using it consistently can help make pumping feel more natural and manageable over time. With proper care, regular cleaning, and a comfortable routine, a Pigeon milk pump can be a practical tool for many mothers. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.